being a Black woman in a white family has been just a hell of a journey. I don't know if I can get this out. I don't even know exactly what I want to say. But a few nights ago, my mother called me. She's been telling me since I was 6 years old that I was the product of SA. And she's white, and her rapist was Black. And that's how, she got pregnant with me. I've always felt like a violent mistake, and that has corrupted every fiber of my being, every relationship. I'm not gonna cry. My mother has dementia, she's in a nursing home, and, she's definitely in the last, at least few years of her life. And I think she's preparing for that. So she called me and she said, I need to talk to you right now, about the night that you were conceived. And, the thing is, I'm in my 40s, right? So this feels like a conversation that's not actually urgent. And I didn't listen to myself. I did not listen to my inner guide that said, hang up, you don't need this information. I pulled over, I recorded some of it. I won't play it, but I needed to record it. I could tell so I could process it later. So, of course, you probably have guessed by now that she told me that this story was not true, that she made it up, because she was ashamed of her behavior and how she got pregnant in the first place. So I feel robbed. I think the thing that I am trying to process is that there were people who could have shown me what it is to be Black. There was culture that I could have partaken in. There was family, and she stole it from me because of her pride and ego. And so the conclusion is to stick to your boundaries. I wish I hadn't picked up the phone. That's it. A lot of people are like, you're seeing it the wrong way, don't look at it like that. She did you a favor. It's a blessing. The thing is, I don't believe that we have the right to unburden ourselves at the expense of other people. I think that that's what's happened in this situation. That's why I wish I didn't answer the phone, because I believe that there's been an unburdening at my expense. Down the road, it might be a blessing, but two things can simultaneously be true. The way I feel is okay. It's just the way I feel. And believe it or not, because families are complicated, I have a daughter who was adopted at birth who found me in 2020. And her genealogist found my birth father's family through the process of looking for me. At the time, I didn't want to meet them because I thought that he was the man who assaulted my mom. Also, it turns out that he passed away about 6 months after I was conceived, so he wasn't even alive when I was born. I will likely meet those people later. I will probably wait until after my mom passes, which is a personal choice, but yeah, I will have family.